Hey guys, and welcome back. Today we're going to do this colorful drag marble nail design. So I already painted one coat of white polish. Now the second coat has to be a much thicker coat, and that's so that you're able to drag the designs around. If it's thin, you won't be able to because it's going to, of course, dry faster. So try to make it thick. You don't want to overly make it thick, but thick enough that you can drag the polish without it drying so fast. Then I'm going to add dots of pink, this blurple, which is blue and purple, of course, and gray polishes on my nails. You don't have to add these colors. You can add as much or as little. You can add 2 colors. You can add 4, 5, 6. It's up to you. Then I'm using a water marbling tool, but you can use anything with a point, and I'm going to go up and down, and then I'm going to go side to side. I've never really done this particular design before, but I love the finished look of it. Then once I was done, I'm going to pull off the polish, and this is to help dry it faster and to stretch out the design. You want the design to look like a water marble look, even though it's not water marble. You want it to have that look of a water marble design. Then I'm going to clean around my nails. And then I'm going to finish off with a quick dry top coat. Drag marble is not a hard design to do. You just got to get the hang of it. Once you get the hang of it, you can do so many fun nail designs. And here's a finished look. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to get updates on when I upload new videos. And check out my Instagram at Funwithmynails to see more of my nail art. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.